Okay, let's see if we can come through here. This thing is crazy on 3S. So I've got my timer set for 4 minutes because I do not know how much time I'm going to get. That's pretty fast, guys. That is pretty fast. That is a pretty fast little F4U Corsair. Alright, I have my Eachine F4U Corsair out here today. 500mm wingspan, brushless power system, sub 250 gram. This is going to be my first try with the 3S LiPo in it. Now, I have not got a 3S LiPo that will fit in here. I have two tiny ones which I have wired together as a single larger 3S LiPo. So we'll see how that goes. I am going to launch it in intermediate mode so that I have a little more elevator, because I think it's going to be a little nose heavy with this 3S LiPo in it and the associated wiring I've got, connecting everything together. So let's make sure we got everything working here. Alright, fingers crossed. Let's see how this goes. Launching. Alright, we're off in intermediate mode. I just launched at about 60% throttle. Alright, so it certainly is fast, and now I have it in full manual mode. Let's see here. Oh man. It is definitely moving through the air much faster. Kind of surprised, you know, with this wind. Oh man. With this wind, it's really wanting to climb on me. I'm kind of surprised at that with all this nose ballast weight. So I got my timer set for oh man, did you see that? Watch this. That's 3S. Let's see what the roll rate's gonna be like. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at that roll. it's really speeding through the air. Okay, let's see if we can come through here. This thing is crazy on 3S. So I've got my timer set for 4 minutes because I do not know how much time I'm going to get. That's pretty fast, guys. That is pretty fast. That is a pretty fast little F4U Corsair. That gets small in a hurry. Alright, so let's go vertical. Oh, that's definitely unlimited. That is definitely unlimited vertical. I got small quick, didn't it? I am pretty impressed with this on 3S. I am definitely going to be getting some 3S LiPos that I can use in this continually, instead of having these. There are two, I don't know if I mentioned it, two 180 milliamp hour LiPos that are wired together to give me a single 360 milliamp hour LiPo. They're 25C. That is just awesome, guys, on 3S. That is something. That is really something. I know I'm flying it with a little altitude right now because it's really fast, and there's some wind out here today. All right, I'm starting to get my haptic now. Let's see. Let's see if we can go vertical one more time with it. That was too much fun. Okay, ready? Oh my, that is something. Okay. See if we could put it back into fully stabilized mode and bring it back through here and see if we get it on the ground before I run out of battery power. There we go. There's 4 minutes. 4 minutes of power right there, and I have no idea how long these things are going to last. 3S 360 milliamp hour with hitting the throttle like that. All right, that plane is absolutely a beast. Absolutely a beast on 3F. I seem to handle the additional weight just fine. Of course, I took my nose ballast weight off of it with a heavier battery, and that seemed to work just fine. Well, the other thing I was concerned about was whether or not that breakaway prop was going to come off with that much force, you know, on a 3S, because I went completely vertical with it twice at full throttle, and it definitely is just a little rocket. It'll just keep going, you know, until it runs out of battery. It's got unlimited vertical on it now, so I am really happy with this. I will put links to the batteries in the show notes, the 3S LiPos. Just out of curiosity, I just want to see how much voltage is left in that little kludgy pack that I put together. I could barely fit everything in this battery compartment with all the wiring, but I'm just curious. As hard as I pushed it for that 4 minutes, I will just want to see what my cell voltage is for each one of these. 11.5. Oh, I am really surprised. Oh man, the wind just blew my plane off. Just blew my plane off the table. Great. Okay, so look at that. 3.85, 3.83, 3.83. I'm pretty impressed with that. Okay, so now let's check the other 180 milliamp hour LiPo. Look at that. 3.83, 3.84, 3.84. I can't believe that. That Corsair is really efficient on a 3S LiPo. Pushing it that hard for 4 minutes, I could get at least a 6-minute flight pushing it like that. I'm definitely going to order some 3S packs. See, this is what I was talking about. I've just got these two little tiny 3S 180 milliamp hour LiPos that I've got taped together, and I just fabricated a Y cable to tie those two together in parallel, so that it gives me double the capacity, the same voltage but double the capacity. Instead of a 3S 180 milliamp hour 25C LiPo, it acts as though it is a 3S 360 milliamp hour 25C LiPo. So I think that the batteries that they have for this plane are 3S 400 milliamp hour 25C LiPos. Alright, so that's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.